Welcome back to Southwest, my friends. Last time we were trying to establish a steel line going into Cincinnati, and so we're back today for another half-hour of fun. Let's go take a real quick look around, see what Cincinnati's doing for us right now, and then we'll go get started on our mission for today. 284, we're getting 30. And here's our Hiawatha train coming in. I love the look of this train. 37 out of 48. And just trying to find a way to... Obviously, his production is fine, but it's the shipment that's kind of getting us here. So I wonder if we were to run a truck line, if I could get him to spike up, because once he goes up, then all of these will kick up. So that's what I'm not quite sure on. Alright, so let's just do that real quick, and then we'll get on to our main mission. Let's see, we need to get a truck station. And I'm going to put this, will that reach the whole... Actually, I don't need a truck station, let's just do an unload stop, and then I can put it right in the middle of town. There we go. And then we'll just do a line. Oops, I mean another truck station. Let's see if they'll get us any... Maybe that'll... He's trying to spur a little bit of interest between these two. Okay. And so this is a truck. And where is that anyway? Oh, it's Sterling Heights. I knew that. This is truck. This is tools to Sterling Heights. There's so many areas that are needing tools in this map. So, alright, so we got that. We want to grab... We're going to add a station, we're going to add you, and we're going to add you. Perfect. And then we're going to put a road depot. Go ahead and set him there. And then we'll come buy some trucks. And 40 kilometers an hour. Don't need anything too big. I just want to see if we can spark a little bit of interest. Tools, looking for tools, not tools, all cargo. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's do an 840. Try and just get it up a little bit. So let's put 8 on here for now. And then we're gonna grab our Christmassy red color. There we go. Ooh, those are very pink, aren't they? Alright, and that will get us going there. And let's see if you guys can start spurring some suppliers. So this now, I'm thinking it's going to start sending 9 or 10 over. Hopefully we don't steal too much from Cincinnati, and see if that will start to raise the shipping number. And you can see it's already climbing a little bit. So maybe we can... Well, most of these are running empty, aren't they? That's a bit of a run. Eventually I think we'll probably put a train line in up there, but for now let's just see what that does for us. How are our other lines? We're early in the year, so our biggest losers... This is the one that we want to try to take care of, the sawmill to the tool now. It's losing a ton of cash. Our tools to Cincinnati will make up a little bit of that, and then our stone to brick, that will make up money as the runs go. So we got to start kind of ticking a little bit of this back up. How are we doing? We're already profitable for this time estimate. Alright, so let's go over, and what we want to work on today is we want to come over and we want to kind of try to straighten out the mess that we have here. We're taking lumber up to tools, and then those tools are going up into Overland Park, but we're just not supplying nearly enough here. And I have a ton of resources that we can be sending all of this up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by putting a rail line in here. Always the rails, right? Do our cargo station. We'll set this guy. There we go. And we'll do a track that will get us from here kind of want to see if I can get this without a tunnel. It seems... Oh. Why are you dropping down so much? Alright. This. Alright, so let's take our tunnel. Let's see, maybe we take it off up this way. That's not gonna work. Kind of down in a valley. There's a bit of a high spot going through there, isn't it? Huh. Oh, that's just horrible looking now. Alright, well, if in doubt, you can always smooth, right? Raise our brush size up a little bit, raise our strength up. Kind of like that exposed rock surface that we're getting here. It's just kind of... There we go, that's a little better. And kind of smooth you out a little bit. Knock down the top of our hill here, just a hair as we come in. Kind of get a little bit of the look. Alright, that's not too bad. It's got a little bit of a climb on it. So we got plenty of... We're only shipping... I mean, I can send 300 and with one of these guys fill him up. So let's... We're not even going to worry about grabbing that other line that's over here. Maybe we'll find something to do with it eventually. Okay. Where is my train depot? Where were we pulling the train in? Oh, that's way up there, isn't it? And we're going to do a little bit of modification and terraforming here too. Oh, that'll work. Okay. So he's heading up to drop the tools off. So now's the time to come in and buy our vehicle. We want a big boy. We don't need a big boy. I think a Mikado is fine. And that, and then we want to go get some cargo lines. That will be lumber. Where are the logs? Oh, there they are. And probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 120. Let's take this up to about 150. That and then 2 runs should be plenty. Mediocre speed though. Alright, so we've got our train bought. Now we just need to go make our line, our new lumber line. And let's see, so we are gonna do from here, and this is gonna be our rail, and this is logs to GB sawmill. And we're gonna go from here to here. And in fact, we're going to make one other modification here. Add some platforms so that these guys are not tripping over each other. And tracks. Platform. Cool. Starting to cut into the hillside, aren't we? If in doubt, we'll level it out. Hey, I'm a poet. Did you know it? Pretty fun. Okay. Ah, and it's doing the green thing again. That is not... What did I grab last time? Configure. I betting I hit the wrong one there. But it always is. Had that problem a couple of times back. I didn't know what was causing it, and I ended up grabbing these cable car extensions. And then I acted like an idiot. I'm like, oh, I don't know what it is. Can you guys tell me? Well, I figured out what it was. And there we go. That's better. Okay, and then we're gonna break this off. And then we will go grab our track again. Oh, we're coming in way high. Ah. This music is pretty catchy, though. What do you mean, too much slope? I'm betting I missed. Hmm? Logs to sawmill says I can't. Oh, and that's because I need to flip the track again, don't I? There's the line. And this is the Green Bay halt. And put you out on 3. And that will solve that problem. Because I had him going to the old one last time. I like that rock there at the end of the roadway. And that's kind of cool. I think we'll keep that one. But we'll smooth out this side. Make it a little bit more gradual down here. Okay. Alright, then we'll go grab you. And we are going to put the stopping station here. And then we'll put you, paint you our crazy red color, and that's our logs line. They're coming out. There we go. Look at you going. See if we can get some of this spiked up a little bit. You can see all those logs are already waiting. Whoa. What'd you do? Did you go to the wrong line? Ah. Yeah. Oops. Alright, let's get... I switched it. I didn't give him a road onto it. There we go. I think I'm okay with that. So that I can bypass around if I need to. $64, $65. A little bit of a speed issue coming up over that hill. I never realized how hilly this was. Kind of rolling, almost like the Flint Hills. Pretty cool looking though. Did we fill? Nope, not even all the way. What is that going to do to our numbers? Will that get us enough to step up? Because if we can step you up, Then we can step up the one that's coming in up here. And that's the goal, is to get him to grow. Because if he can grow, then I can start growing Overland Park even more. So that's that one. Alright, somebody is not feeling good, but that's okay. And you need 400. Oh wow. My Amarillo steel mill is reaching 400 production, which means my Cincinnati line over here is now. So this guy. Yep, sure did. Because he leveled up, because I bet this guy leveled up. Yep, that was the key. How are you doing? How much are you getting? You're getting 60. And how much are you getting? You're getting 91. And so everybody else will start feeding off of that. We're transporting, you know, consuming 800 at a time. Yeah, we're good. I need to find another place to send steel. Sending lumber. We've got some things up here we need to start kind of looking at. Alright, but that's for another day. So, alright, so that solved one problem that we were having back over here. How are we on this line? I want to get you kind of maxed out. There's a spot for steel too. 289 tools and nowhere to take them. Okay, so now I'm wondering, can we get tools up the road to Charleston? And I think for that, for now, let's get a truck station in here. In fact, we'll put you on your usual spot. I'll get you there, and then we'll come up. A bit of a haul, and this will probably end up needing to be a... Oh, I have a drop station here. Well, maybe my old route. Okay, so we're gonna do a new line that goes from here to here. We're gonna rename this. This is truck Knox tools to, I think that was Charleston, right? And for now, we'll just go buy vehicles. We want some guys with some speed, because that's a bit of a haul. 60. Nope. 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 Quite a bit of cash. Let's do 10 of you. And we'll kind of work out some of these lines. Those loops are pretty ugly as well. And so we'll put you on my truck line, Knoxville tool. Because even the train can't drain it. He's at level 4, so we're not producing nearly enough. Here come our trucks. And eventually, man, that is a long haul though. Really should do that by train. Alright, so that's that. And then I think we want to try to resolve our issue with this little circuit. Oop, autosave. And I can clean this whole thing up as well. Alright, so let's do this. So how do I do a loop? Buildings. Put you on a short one. How far away can I get this and still be in link? Can I do it with that one? It gets brighter the closer you get it. Nice. Because the route... I guess I can come in 2 different directions. I do that. And then I'm going to come over, let's fix this line. Alright, we're going to bulldoze you. Dirt roads left? Or are they gone? Oh, all our dirt roads are gone. It is the 1950s. I guess we're starting to use pavement now. Let's out here. Vehicle in the way. Alright. Sorry, dude. You're sold. How many vehicles do I have in the way right there? Goodness. So, I'm putting a huge dent in my my fuel line production, aren't I? Why is construction not possible? Come grab our rail, and I think that should be plenty strong. Take this little guy. Trucks. We'll have to kind of clean this up a little bit. Ooh, that's a big canyon, isn't it? And then we'll also let's configure you, and we'll put a platform out here, and this way the lines don't cross. Ah, I did it again. Every time, Iggy. Goodness me. Extend this just a little bit. Don't need a boat. I need to do some figuring. Configuring, that is. I love these modular stations. They're so cool. All right. And this guy around here, and that should be able to now make a nice connection into both lines. So this guy will kind of come in and then come out. Where is my fuel oil needed? Where's our industry chart at? How do I get it to show me those again? How are we on time? We got about 5 minutes left. So we'll finish this line, get it set. That will get me there. Do my buildings. For my rail. Buildings. And then, oh, I did it on the wrong side. Doggone. Grab that. And this guy will then come. Well, he can just come through and then just come back around. Okay. Where is... So my fuel... Oh my goodness, fuel oil needs to get way down here. And those, but those are those industries or houses? Those are industries. Wow, it's really grown. That's our fuel circuit. Probably eventually we'll want to kind of consolidate these into one big one. So let's see. Let's grab this. Oops. And go put you over to here. That will get us there. And then we'll come around. There we go. Well, I guess I didn't really need the second stop now that I look at it. What was I thinking? You're the start. You just come back into the same one. There we go. And it just kind of does a kind of an interesting little loop around there, doesn't it? All right, let's go get you. Bill, we may go a couple minutes over today. I just want to get this, some of this Green Bay situation. Ah, that'll work. The baby tunnel. I think that little elbow will get taken out eventually. That's ugly. Oh my goodness. Maybe down this way. Let's just slow down going around that corner though. That's kind of a funky little intersection, isn't it? Now it's yelling at me because my roads aren't. My roads are broken. But we knew that, and that was part of the progress that we're making. Here, it's a little bit of a nicer road. Oh, we're gonna be there. Alright, and then where do we put our station? Probably right here by the refinery, I would think, right? So we can put this guy to here. Put you there. Put you there. And so now we can buy a train. This is a fairly short line. The little diesel guy is not going to do much. We want to do the Alco again. He'll make the money back. 80. I think a Mikado looks good. Or do we want the 9,000? Let's add you. Okay. And then we'll do our cargo. And these are all tankers, baby. I need smaller tankers. Wow, what was the price difference on those? Third of the price, but they go so much faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I can do 200 going around that loop. Let's find out. And then we'll do a line. I already got one started. Oh, pink line. Perfect for oil, right? Let's go from here. And this is rail. Green Bay. There you are. And we're going to add you. And then we're going to add you. And then we're going to add you. And then you'll go back. Kind of ugly, but we'll see. And then go grab my... And you're pink, so why not make you pink? Coming out. Why are you guys stuck? What are your details? Wish I could circuit my heating circuit. bus stop and a train station. What did it do? Did it try to hook into the... Oh, it did. Well, that's dumb. That's all my problem. Just the train. Which train? And what is your problem? You're telling me you can't get back. Oh, he's too long. Okay. Just a hair long. Which that's going to be a concern if this guy gets much bigger. Oops. Where are all your cars at? I put another platform on the end of this thing. Nope, wrong one. Every time. Let me do a little bit better on cleaning this up. That's a little better. Alright, now that you're back on your line, let's go some. You coming? There you go. Come on, baby boy. Let's see what we got going on over here. How much we got? Wasted a little bit. We're all gonna get in. Oh, got on that time. $192. What are all these trucks carrying? They're carrying 9. So I just replaced 20 trucks. Let's see if we can step up the production level. Yeah, we killed you though. If I need 2 platforms to drop. Yeah, that little line's gonna have to get, we'll have to clean that up next time. $760 down. Let's see if he can turn a profit coming back around. That's a dead line there, though. Man, these roads are so ugly back here, though. 157. That'll get you up. Hopefully we'll get you capped out. Oh, yep, see, and he's leveling up now. Or is he leveling down? Oh, he's leveling down. Oops. Let it run for a little bit. Here's our Green Bay fuel soaking. Yeah, see, now we're making money. That'll work. Alright. And you still got plenty to... Good golly, he's just kicking the oil out. So I added a train, and I didn't get rid of any of the trucks. Alright, we'll just let it go for now. And you should be getting all the fuel that you want. Alright, let's go make one last little pass and see how our lumber line is doing. Only carrying 86. It's not doing as good as I thought it would. Is that because you're covered up? See if we get a little bit more efficient on what's going on our supply runs over here. We'll have to come back next time and look a little bit. Now we've gone well over, so we're gonna probably cut this down, maybe do 2 short ones. Do the fix-up that we did here, and then we'll come around and do the rest. But you can see he's getting ready to level up as well. So anyway, that's all we have for today. So we actually did quite a bit. We got some steel runs over at Sterling Heights. Let's go see how that's doing. Oh goodness, it's already growing up. Doing that. How are we doing on production for... Only taking 65 and you're taking 20, so everybody seems to be doing all right. Gonna need to ship out just a little bit more though to get him going, to get him to the next level. Because once he goes, then man, we'll be in business. So, and I think the next one will be to bring this material to Charleston. That looks like an easy fix, but we will do that in the next video. So thanks for coming out, guys. Like I said, I think we'll do Charleston next, but if you see something that you think would be more interesting, leave a comment down below and we'll work our way through that. But otherwise, thanks, and we'll see you next time in Southwest. Have a great evening. Bye, guys.